Alright, y'all, so check it out. COVID-19 has been taking the world by storm, and now inmates have been facing elevated risks due to the shared and enclosed spaces that they occupy. As some of y'all already know, YNW Melly tested positive for coronavirus last week on Thursday, April 2nd. So, as of today, April 6th, he claims he's on the verge of dying from the virus and is begging to be let out of jail before it's too late. The rapper's lawyer, Bradford Cohen, has just filed legal documents that state the rapper is, quote, suffering from severe chills, heavy labored breathing, headaches, and body aches since he tested positive. It seems that right now Melly weighs a total of 114 pounds, and the medical personnel appointed to monitor him hasn't been showing up to check on him every single hour like they're supposed to. Not only does it seem like the jail is nowhere near ready to respond to this epidemic, but Melly's own cellmate has also tested positive for coronavirus, and there's a fear that the virus can be mutated or past reoccurring between the two individuals, making it almost impossible for him to recover successfully being in that environment. So, to add insult to injury, the jail also lacks masks and cleaning supplies, which would also be crucial in helping him recover. Needless to say, this goes against all recommendations from the Surgeon General and the CDC. So now YNW Melly is asking the judge if he can please be placed on house arrest and be treated at a medical facility at his own expense until he fully recovers. As we know, Melly isn't the only rapper who's been affected by the pandemic while in jail. Tekashi 6ix9ine was released recently due to his underlying medical conditions. Some of y'all know that he's got asthma, and being that the virus attacks the respiratory system, he clearly posed a higher risk. YNW's team has actually reached out to us on Instagram at Rap and DM'd us asking us to share that his lawyer just filed a motion for his immediate release. His lawyer, Bradford Cohen, wrote this on his Instagram. I have filed a motion on behalf of Jamel Demons to have him released to a hospital for any treatment necessary for his diagnosis of COVID-19. It's a scary situation for all inmates in the jails, as I believe most jails think they can handle this outbreak, and my opinion is they cannot. They must loosen the regulations on soap, hand sanitizers, and wipes. They currently are banned because of alcohol content. Jails and prisons need to get ahead of this curve if it already isn't too late. The federal BOP stated on March 26, 2020 that they can handle it and there is low amount of positives. 5 days later, that number increased sixfold and 3 individuals died. I do not think any prison or jail is prepared for something like this. Some cities, even with the federal government helping, aren't prepared. So how do we think our jails and prisons are? He also went ahead and posted something else just recently on Instagram. Just an update, we are waiting to hear from the judge regarding the release of Mr. Demons to receive medical care and treatment. Supplemental motion was filed today detailing the jail having Mr. Demons share a cell with another COVID-19 positive inmate. This is not recommended by any medical physician. The jails and prisons are not prepared to handle this crisis. Rules on alcohol-based hand sanitizers and wipes must be lifted at a bare minimum. Inmates are passing trays, jail phones, and sharing items that are not sanitized when passed between inmates. YNW Melly's team also posted the same motion that his lawyer posted on his Instagram with the caption, "We need better care for Melly. Please spread this information." The motion reads, as the court is well aware, there is a pandemic in the United States revolving around the COVID-19 virus. As of March 12, 2020, the new strain of coronavirus, which causes COVID-19, has infected over 170,400 people, leading to at least 6,619 deaths worldwide. On March 11, 2020, the World Health Organization officially classified COVID-19 as a pandemic, and Governor DeSantis has declared a public health emergency in the state of Florida and formally requesting that the president declare the situation here a major disaster. The Centers for Disease Control has issued a detailed list of recommendations to limit the virus's spread through person-to-person contact, including the cancellation of gatherings of more than 50 people. With an increasing number of cases in Florida that confirms rapid community spread, we must take every necessary precaution. Kodak Black is another rapper whose prison stay was also affected, as he was transferred at the end of last month to another prison in New York after issues due to the coronavirus affected where he was being held at in Kentucky. So yeah, what do you guys think? It seems like this pandemic has been affecting everyone. I even have a homie in jail tell me to stay safe out there. But now it seems like he needs that advice just as much as I do. But how has the coronavirus been affecting your life? And what's the craziest thing you've done in quarantine? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. I'm Pro with RapTV. Make sure you like and share this video and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get updated every time we drop new videos. And stay safe out there, y'all. Peace.